AI news, top trends, opinions, best practices, and more.
Not sure if you guys were able to check the runway's Gen 3 Alpha. They literally say a new frontier for video generation. So when it comes to runway, we have seen these videos that Michael is showing right now. They are pretty insane. They just get an image from Midjourney. Yeah. Yeah, the result is really impressive and ambitious, right? So it's a tool that offers innovative features like multi-motion brushes and camera control. It still might be in the first baby steps for some users. Interface appears really user friendly. The quality of outputs can change depending on the complexity of the task, but this is with every tool. It's a very promising tool for creatives, but some refinement and clarity in user guidance could really enhance the practical application. But by just looking at this video, the first thing that I think, right, growing up in the 90s, I remember hip hop music videos that costed $10 million just because they would fly a helicopter chasing a yacht on the beach. And but now a kid with just a green screen and such a tool can do that job, and well, money saved, right? So and the result, no difference. It might be even looking better like this than being really recorded from a helicopter. So really, really good. What do you guys think about?
Well, I must say you definitely have a lot more control from image to video than from prompt or text to video. Text to video can give you such a random output, especially now in the beginning stages, that there's very little control over it. So this tool, I see a lot more application for it, especially from a designing point of view, or if you just want to bring something to life and animate specifically like a product or something that you have in mind how it needs to look. So
Yeah,
99% of outputs would be wrong on Kling, where this really is a handy.
We can, and also it's Gen 3 now. We have seen Gen 2 before, and it was just like zooming in into an image or zooming out on an image or just a little bit movement. I'm impressed about the real motion in that generator. I'll be interested in seeing some examples where not a car is driving or not a dog is in it. The same things I said before. What is if I make a video of a starship or some starship in the ocean or something like that? What is the result at the end? Is it also in that motion, or is there also a fallback like in a Kling AI where we don't then also some sort of, so what does it do if it's not enough to know what to do? And so you can also upload the image here. So if you like, you can try it here also. But yeah, it's really impressive. But it's also the next step. Gen 3 you can't try for free, so now you have to pay. So yeah, you see there are so much solutions later. Zora, Kling, what name it, and later you need to find out the tool. It's a tool. you need to handle it, and you need to choose the best for your use case, and can't use it like ChatGPT and free on every way and so on. Perhaps ChatGPT will implement Zora, but I can't imagine that all that computing requirements, computing costs which are behind such a video generation will be free in some sort. Perhaps there's ChatGPT plus video or something for 50 euros or what they are building at the end. But yes, it's coming more and more. The payment, what's fully fine and makes sense at that point. It's a business.
Makes a lot of sense. And as Eugene said, you're saving a lot of money, compared to actually shooting the car driving. So it could make sense if the output is consistently good, and if the training data as well as the technology behind it gives you an output like you want, then it's more a saving of money in that way.
Yeah.
AI news brought to you by promptmate.io.